You can do it via PSADT as well. It is a simple command, but via VB script, if you are trying to give permission, then you have to use a cackles and x cackles command. So cackle stands for change access control list. So as per the requirement, whether you have to give full permission, whether you have to revoke the permission, what type of permission is required, whether it is read, whether it is full control or write, as per the requirement which user is going to give, you have to write a script. The If you see extreme last, there is an example. This command only you are going to write. So for an example, there is a text file which exists in the C drive or any of the folder which user has provided. So you have to give cackles, and then you have to give that file or folder name, whatever the user is saying to give access. And as per the parameters, so you can see there are many parameters. So as per the parameters and the username, so username stands for basically the domain group which exists, you have to provide that. And then you have to give whether you have to provide what type of access, should whether it should be read access, it should be change access, full control or none. So F stands for full control. So let's see the parameters. So first is T, backslash T, it changes ACL of specified files in the current directory and subdirectories. So whatever the access will be there in the current folder and the file existing in that current folder, it is going to change that permission. E is going to edit the control instead of replacing. It won't replace, it is going to just edit the permission. C will ignore the access denied error. So sometimes when we are trying to give access, we could not give it because it doesn't it says that you do not have a permission. So such type of access thing, if it exists, then it is going to ignore it. Then it is G, it is a permission where access rights can be granted, can be changed. You can change the permission as per the, like if it is a right, you can make it to the read mode also, you can make it to the change mode also, and the full control mode also. R is going to revoke the permission whatever is given. P is going to replace the permission as per the user access right. Permission can be N for none, R for read, C for change, F for full control. And slash D is to user denied specified. If user is denying that access, then it is going to ignore that. Now, then is the merge module technique. The question number 12, question number 13, and question number 14 all are related with each other. All are related to the merge module. I'll explain it in layman language that what is merge module, and then I will explain the, then I will read the theoretical. So basically, for an example, take we have 5 applications. Application 1, application 2, 3, 4, 5. Now every 5 application which is there, maybe it requires some set of files or folders or some component which is unique in all that 5. So maybe it is a scenario where it may exist. So rather than and if you just change that particular files and folders or components, then you do not have to package all that 5 application or whatever 6 7 application. Just that there is a file which is .msm, like we create a .mst and .msp. Same way you are going to create a .msm, and that .msm you are going to share with all that 5 applications. So you do not have to package it. Just if an update comes, you're going to update it and it is going to work. So you can say that it works as a dependency, we can say, or we can say that it is a prerequisite, that we do not have to package, just that sharing with all 5, it is going to work. Now I'm going to read it.